Thinking of selling before the autumn budget? Why acting now could save you thousands in capital gains tax? Could waiting cost you? What if waiting just a few months it could cost you tens of thousands of pounds in capital gains tax? There's uncertainty around the autumn budget. It's already influencing property owners' decisions. Cost rules could change and not in your favour. Act now may lock in current more favourable capital gains tax and other tax rates. The window to act may be shorter than you think. Owners are concerned because the autumn budget tax speculation creates market uncertainty. Growing anticipation of capital gains tax changes in the upcoming budget is already unsettling property markets, causing owners to reassess their positions and timelines. Capital gains tax changes are a major concern. Potential increases to capital gains tax rates could significantly reduce net proceeds for property sellers, making the current tax environment considerably more favourable than what may follow the budget announcement. Many landlords and investors are reconsidering their timing now. A growing number of property owners, from buy-to-let landlords to portfolio investors, are actively bringing forward their sale plans to avoid the risk of being caught by unfavourable tax rules. Market sentiment shifts before official announcements. History shows that property markets react in advance of budget announcements. Waiting for certainty often means acting in a more competitive, less favourable environment with reduced buyer confidence and pricing power. Why waiting could be expensive. The risks of delaying your sale. Increased seller competition floods the market. Buyers become more cautious and selective. Longer selling periods and delayed transactions reduce negotiating power and pricing pressure. Benefits of selling now. To lock in current capital gains tax rules by acting before the autumn budget, you secure transactions under today's known capital gains tax framework, protecting your returns and avoiding potentially higher tax liabilities that may be introduced. Greater certainty and financial planning ease. Selling now removes the uncertainty of post-budget rule changes, allowing you to plan your finances with confidence and make informed decisions about reinvestment, retirement or portfolio restructuring. Faster transaction completion. Pre-budget market conditions tend to favour motivated sellers and decisive buyers. Acting now means fewer delays, reduced competition and a smoother path to exchange and completion before market sentiment. Enhanced buyer confidence and smoother sales process. Buyers transacting under known tax rules are more decisive and less likely to renegotiate. This creates stronger offers, reduced fall-through risk and a more professional, efficient sales experience. Confidence in a stable market. Buyers prefer transactions under known rules. Selling now can build confidence and momentum in your property sale. About Alpus Group. We've got more than 30 years of UK property experience. We bring over 3 decades of property investment and development proven track record, navigating complex market conditions and delivering results for property owners across all sectors. We're specialists in complex property challenges. We are experts in solving difficult, time-sensitive and unconventional property situations. Where others see obstacles, Alpus Group sees opportunity, delivering tailored solutions that work for the seller. Flexible acquisition and transaction structures, from direct purchases to joint ventures, option agreements and delayed completions. Alpus Group offers a wide range of acquisition structures designed to meet your specific needs, timeline and financial objectives. A trusted partner for certainty and speed. Property owners choose Alpus Group because we deliver on our commitments. We provide the confidence, speed and discretion that sellers need, especially when timing and certainty matter most. Alpus Group Acquisition Solutions. We can offer flexible ways we can work with you. We can purchase directly, or we can offer options and delayed completion arrangements. We can offer investor introductions, or we can acquisition structures to suit your particular situation. We can take over companies rather than buying the property if your property is held in a company. We can purchase portfolios and development sites. We can joint venture on those as well to optimize the value of the outturn. Property types we are looking for: commercial, residential, mixed-use buildings, and even undeveloped land we can take forward. So our simple process is step 1, an initial confidential discussion. Step 2, property review and assessment. Step 3, indicative offer or acquisition proposal. Step 4, due diligence and formal agreement. Step 5, completion and transaction closure. There's absolutely no obligation and no timing matters. If you're thinking of selling within 6 to 12 months, ask yourself, do I want to decide before the uncertainty of the budget or after? Bringing plans forward can provide certainty, control, and potentially better outcomes. The autumn budget may change the rules. Acting now means you set the terms. Alpus Group confidential and no obligation discussion is your next. Provide confidential, tailored advice to help you to navigate your property sale with confidence, discreetly, professionally, and on your terms. So if you'd like to have a professional, confidential discussion about selling your property development site or portfolio, contact Alpus Group today. You can phone me, that's Alan, at 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. We don't just buy property, we solve property problems. Alpus Group, we go beyond purchasing property, we provide solutions for property challenges. Don't hesitate to call us, like and comment on this video.